front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening Clock app and tapping on Alarm at the bottom left corner. Now, before doing anything, quick tip. Most people miss that you can click on this gear at the top right corner and manage alarms section. This way you'll adjust all of those options for all of your alarms. Ring duration, snooze length, alarm volume, and volume buttons function. You can of course adjust those two individually in each alarm, but you can also change it here. Hit OK, and then it will always add a new alarm with those changes. So when I go back and tap on this plus icon at the bottom in the middle to create new alarm, I can see that snooze is set up to 12 minutes because I changed it here. Now let's switch to 10 and see. Either way, when you're done with all of those, create your new alarm thanks to the same plus and adjust it however you want to. At the top, set up an hour. Then click on days of the week you wanna set up. Let's go with Mondays and Fridays. To enable or disable haptic feedback for this alarm, use this switcher next to vibrate to turn it off or switch it on. Then click on alarm sounds. Now you can tap on add ringtone at the bottom if you wanna add any melody from your phone. Click on it here and tap on OK at the bottom right corner to save it. You can also pick one of those the same way. Now select snooze, decide how many minutes it will take and hit OK to save your changes. Then click on label to name your alarm however you want to, and OK to save its name. Finally, to save your new alarm, use this check mark at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. To turn it on or off, use this switcher right next to it. To make any changes, click on it, change whatever you want to, and tap on the same check mark. To get rid of it, just hold it and tap on the delete option at the bottom. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!